What's up guys, my name's Titan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get the charged shotgun in creative no fill. Now, it's really annoying when you go into creative fill and these randoms just keep annoying you when you're trying to get this kind of practice with the charged shotgun. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get it in creative no fill without having a creator code. So with that being said, let's hop straight into this tutorial. Alright guys, so to start this off, you're going to want to click play and then change super quickly. After you do that, you're going to want to click play, which is the creative fill. But right after you click launch, you're going to want to change it to no fill and then press accept. This should be done very quickly. Alright guys, after you load in, this should be very similar to creative fill. There's not going to be any private islands, so if you're going to want to do your island with the charged shotgun, unfortunately that's not going to work. But what's going to happen is you're going to be in a creative fill lobby without it being fill, if that makes sense. So basically, once you put in a map that allows charged shotguns, then the charged shotgun will spawn. This also works with friends or anyone else that was in your party when you did this glitch. But there's going to be no randoms filling into your lobby, which is huge if you want this kind of practice. For any of you that were wondering, no, you cannot get banned for this. I'm not sure if it's really a glitch or if it was intentional, but Epic cannot ban you for this no matter what. So if that's what you're worried about, then you're in the clear in that area. Other than that, this works really well. You can get the charged shotgun from any map that does spawn the charged shotgun. This is just BHE's 1v1 build fights. After you grab the charged shotgun, it works as usual and you can proceed to practicing with it as normal. So if you guys found this video in any way helpful, make sure to hit the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you want more content like this in the future. I'm going to be putting more tutorials out very soon, so stay tuned for that. Peace out.